Hello everyone, that now we are moving to grade 11, choosing the right stream becomes a big decision.
Absolutely. We usually have the options like science, commerce and arts, which leads to different career paths.
That's why it's important to choose based on our interest and strength, not just because others are choosing it.
I agree. For example, if someone enjoys subjects like physics, biology, science might be a good choice.
If someone is interested in business, accounting or finance, commerce will be the better option.
Art is also a great stream for the students who's interested in literature, history and psychology.
But choosing the stream is just the first step, and scoring good marks in grade 11 is equally important.
Yes, because the syllabus need more advance and we need better time management and studies habits.
Regular revision, understanding capacity can improve the mark.
We should also avoid last minute studying and focus on consistent effort throughout the year.
Asking doubts, taking notes, staying organized can make learning easier.
In the end, choosing the right stream and working hard together leads to a success. Thank you.
Thank you, and Rishs welcomes you.
Join us at Rishs International School, Vepur, Arcot for a vibrant experience.